So guys, project over in Surrey. This is a new driveway. As you can see, they have an existing driveway. They've renovated their fantastic home and it looks awesome. Looks really nice, really contemporary look, really contemporary finish, as you can see. So what we're going to do is install a driveway which is going to complement their fantastic home. We're going to get rid of the existing crazy paved driveway, which has seen better days. It's a good area, it's a good size, but we're going to really shake this up. We're going to take away this dead right angle that's over here. We're going to put a nice curved sweep in it. There's some bushes that we're going to get rid of away there and there, and we're going to bring the driveway over to here whilst we incorporate some planting space still. So this is all going to get removed, it's all going to get broken up, it's all going to get piled up by the excavator, it's all going to get taken away, it'll get crushed up and reused as groundwork, and then we're going to come around the front, we're going to put in an Indian sandstone step, we're going to come around here, we're going to put edging around here, decorative stone, and we are going to make this little area usable as well. So we're going to go through this, it's decorative stone, so essentially we're going to dig the driveway out, get rid of it, we're going to put the sheet down, we're going to compact the layers, we're going to put the edgings round, then we're going to put another layer on top, we're going to compact that, and then we're going to put the decorative stone down, another sheet, then we're going to put another sheet, then the decorative stone. And I'm really looking forward to seeing this because it's a decent sized driveway and it's really going to look good. So let's do it. Project in Fetcham is really taking shape, come on. As you can see, our edges are in on concrete. We've built up in about 3 or 4 layers of groundwork. We've put our white Taram sheet, which is over there, as you can see underneath the stone. That's underneath the driveway. Also, if you can see over here, the sheet is also on top of the groundwork, and we are putting our stone, a nice 50 mil, well, it's about 30-40 mil dressing of this stone, which is going all over. We are using ocean blue pebbles for this driveway, along with the pennant grey border. I think you'll agree it looks absolutely exceptional. We've got our topsoil area over here, which a lawn will be going in. We've got our Indian sandstone step over here, and we've got the perfect depth of stone that doesn't track. It's not like a beach, but it covers it, so it doesn't go absolutely everywhere. We've got our area over here, we've got our recessed manhole, and obviously we've opened this right up, so there's now full access here. And we're just going around the back, sheeting this up. We've dressed this area with soil for the client. We've got our recessed manhole cover over here, and we are dressing up with the stones over here. So we're going to crack on with the job. We're going to get the finished look on the go. We're going to get this all dressed. We're going to get it all cleaned. We're going to get it all sorted, and then we're going to show you exactly what it's like at the end. Another beautiful job installed by Right Pave. Finished projects over in Surrey. As you can see, beautiful blue ocean stone pebbles are down there, 20 mil. And I think you'll agree that it looks absolutely fantastic. Really nice decorative aggregate. Beautiful stone. And it's even better when it's wetter. So as you can see, all finished around here. We've topsoiled the lawn. And we've dressed the flower beds. We've dressed everything. We've even put some little stones down the edges, all around the little detail bits. So looks absolutely fantastic. And yeah, really pleased with the finished job. The client also gave us an amazing review on Trade for our amazing work. So if you like, we see we had a little bit of stone left over, which we have left for the client so that they can dress some other bits and bobs. So if you like what you see, please get in contact via the website, Facebook, Instagram. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Helps us to do more videos. Hope you like the video. Hope you like what you see, and look forward to seeing you in the next video.